My name is Patrick Jameson, and in this video, I'm going to add some handles to this door. I'm going to add a lever and a deadbolt to this door. Normally, this door does not get shipped with hardware. I ordered some PGT cabana door hardware. The slabs are prepped, standard bore and standard setback. I'm going to be installing our black suede lever and our black suede deadbolt. I'm going to be working on the active slab, starting with the deadbolt. Remember to hand tighten all screws to prevent damage to any hardware. Always keep in mind to hand tighten all screws. Now I'm going to install the handle. Remember to face the plunger the correct way. Now it's time to install the handle. Now it's time to snap on the cover and the lever. On the inactive panel, we need to replace the strike plates with the ones provided with the hardware. When removing the striker plate, keep in mind if you undo both screws, the piece inside here will drop. I will usually leave one screw attached and start my next one to hold it in place. Remember, before you tighten the screws, you can adjust a striker plate. Striker plate may need to be adjusted before tightening. Now I'm going to switch out the striker plate with the old one. Remember to start the new one before removing both screws so you don't lose the support behind there. This striker plate is also to be adjusted. You can slide it left and right. When you have adjusted it, you can now tighten the screws. So to recap this video, we've now installed the deadbolt and the handle. I'm Patrick Jameson, and thanks for watching.